Hi there, I'm Dr. Jake with the Revive Chiropractic Wellness Center, and I have a trivia question for you today. What controls every function in your body? Now you can use your brain to think really hard on this right now, and that's right, your brain literally controls all healing and functioning that's happening in your body. Now the body does this best when the brain can clearly communicate to the rest of your body perfectly. Now the brain sends these messages down the spinal cord and out through the nerves to literally every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. So for your heart to beat, for your lungs to breathe, for your stomach to digest food, or even for your immune system to kill a virus or bacteria, your brain has to send this communication continuously. And therein lies the ultimate purpose of your spine. Now the bones of your spine, called vertebra, as well as your skull and your pelvis, all serve as the suit of armor for this amazing healing and functioning power flowing from your brain. Now, in order for this communication to happen best, your spine must be straight from front to back, and your hips must be level, as well as having 3 strong curvatures in your spine, one in your neck, mid-back, and lower back. Now, if you had to guess what percentage of your nerves sense pain, what would you say? Now, the answer is only 10%. That's right, the other 90% of your nerves, as well as your brain function, is for keeping you alive and healing. Now, unfortunately, due to the physical stress or injuries or mental stress, as well as chemical stressors in life, damage occurs in your spine. And when this damage occurs, the spine is shifted out of normal position and it interferes with the brain to body connection. Now, this is called subluxation. Now, it's pronounced subluxation. This is one of the most significant problems affecting human health today, yet we may not feel it because, as I mentioned earlier, only 10% of your nerves sense pain. Now, these subluxations can happen in a few main ways. One, we get a small shift in the spine. You can see just a small shift causes pressure or interference to a specific nerve. Now, say that nerve is going to your heart. Would you then say that your heart is functioning or healing at its best? No, absolutely not. Now, we can have abnormal curvatures from the front. These, you may have heard of this kind of subluxation called a scoliosis. There is a curvature. Now, another very common shift in the spine is the loss of proper curvatures from the side view. Now, either the neck gets some loss of curvature or the lower back loses that. And one of the main culprits for this is technology. Texting, the amount of time that we are sitting. Now, all of these shifts and subluxations are a major problem because they negatively affect the nerve flow, telling your body how to heal and how to function. Now, secondarily, they also stress the muscles, the ligaments, as well as the discs, which can commonly lead to degeneration and arthritis of your spine. Now, there are 3 phases of degeneration, each progressively more damaged or more severe, with phase 3 as the most damaged as well as the most permanent. Now, phases do not determine the significance of a person's symptom, like pain or digestive issues or headaches, just to name a few symptoms. But more accurately, the phase is an indication to the amount of time the subluxation damage has been happening. Now, once again, the silent kicker here is that you may never feel this until it's too late, much like heart disease or cancer or even high blood pressure. So, this is why our mission here at Revive Chiropractic Wellness Center is to first help you understand the condition of your own spine and overall health so you can make the best informed decisions regarding care for your health and ultimately lead your family to a better quality of life. So, I will ask you today one of the most important questions you can ask yourself. Do you know the condition of your spine? That right there, whether you are in pain or not, getting a full spinal evaluation could change the trajectory of your life and ultimately the quality of your life forever.